Most people over 60 are losing muscle every day without realizing it. And the scary part is, you may not notice until simple things start feeling harder. Standing up, walking stairs, carrying groceries. Does this feel familiar? But what's really causing it might surprise you. After 60, your body needs more protein to keep muscles strong. And if you're not eating enough, your body slowly starts breaking muscle down. Here's what most people don't realize. A light breakfast with toast and tea may feel normal, but it gives your muscles almost nothing to work with. Your muscles are like a savings account. If you stop adding to it, your strength slowly disappears. And this is where it matters most. One of the simplest foods for protecting muscle after 60 is eggs. Easy to make, easy to chew, packed with the protein your muscles need. Listen carefully, this part is important. You do not need intense workouts, just simple daily habits. Start your day with 2 eggs or another protein-rich food. Add foods like Greek yogurt, tuna, beans, chicken, or cottage cheese during the day. Drink more water. And walk for 5 to 10 minutes after meals. Small movements help wake your muscles back up. Most people think weakness is just aging, but here's the truth. Your body can still rebuild strength, even after 70, even after 80. Small habits today decide how independent you stay later. Comment below. What's been the hardest part about staying strong as you've gotten older?